If you follow my channel, you'll find I have reviewed some of the Samsung mobile phones. So this is the iPhone 12 Pro Max review, which has 6.7 inches, the Super Retina XDR OLED screen, Apple A14 Bionic, 6 GB of RAM, 128, 256 or 512 gigabytes of internal storage, iOS 14, triple two 12 MP rear cameras, a 5G connectivity, Wi-Fi 6, IP68, and weight 22 6 grams. Hey everyone, this is Tech Insider, and this is my review of all new iPhone 12 Pro Max coming out. The iPhone 12 Pro Max is the biggest, heaviest, and most expensive versions of the Apple smartphone for 2020, a beast in every dimensions. The 12 Pro Max has the same fresh design as the rest of the iPhone 12 range. Squared off the sides, all screen front with the slimmer bezels, and frustrated glass back. It has the same drop resistance ceramic shield technology covering the screen and the new MagSafe magnetic attachment system on the back for wireless chargers and accessories. But that's where the physical similarities end. The huge OLED display measures 6.7 inches on the diagonal, which dwarfs all other iPhones and rivals the Android superphones such as the 6.78 in OnePlus 8 or 6.9 in Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. The screen is stunning, bright, crisp, and almost tablet-like at the giant's size. Watching HDR video is fantastic, and there's a good set of stereo speakers too. Holding it usually requires two hands, much like its superphone competition. It's very wide and weighs 226 grams and 18 grams heavier than the Note 20 Ultra. 39 grams heavier than the smaller 12 Pro, or full 64 grams heavier than the regular iPhone 12. Thanks to the hard edges, I found gripping the 12 Pro Max significantly easier than its rounded and equally heavy predecessor, the iPhone 11 Pro Max. I could use it one-handed with a bit of finger gymnastics and suffered none of the hand pain I got from trying to grip the bar of soap like the 11 Pro Max. Coming to the specs of iPhone 12 Pro Max: screen 6.7 inches, Super Retina XDR OLED, processor Apple A14 Bionic, RAM 6 gigabytes, storage 3 options are there: 128, 256 or 512 gigabytes. Operating system is iOS 14, camera triple, 12 MP rear cameras with lidar, 12 MP front camera, and connectivity 5G, Wi-Fi 6, NFC, Bluetooth 5, Lightning, Ultra Wideband, and GPS. Water resistance is 1 IP686 meters for 30 minutes. Dimension 0.9 into 78.1 into 7.4 mm. Weight is 226 grams. Performance and 5G and 2-day battery life. The iPhone 12 Pro Max has the same A14 Bionic processor as the regular 12 and 12 Pro and iPad Air, and has 6 gigabytes of RAM with starting storage of 128 gigabytes, double the iPhone's 12 GB, and performance is equally excellent at all around snappy, slick, and fast to process photos, videos, or when playing games. Sustainability: Apple does not provide an expected lifespan for the iPhone 12 Pro Max battery. Typically, smartphone batteries released at the 500 cycles while maintaining at least 80% capacity, but it can be replaced for Euro 69s. Coming to the iOS 14, the operating systems of the iPhone 12 Pro Max, the iPhone 12 Pro comes with the same iOS 14.2 version as the 12 and 12 mini and 12 Pro and all other iPhones from 2015 or newer. Face ID is still the best smartphone biometric unlocking system in the business and cannot be recognized people wearing masks. Photographs like people's camera. The iPhone 12 Pro Max has the same selfie camera and ultra wide camera as the 12 and 12 Pro, which performs just like but different main and telephoto cameras on the backs. Price: the iPhone 12 Pro Max cost Euro 1099 for 128 gigabytes, 1199 Euro for 256 GBs, or 1399 for 512 GB of storage. For comparison, the 12 Pro costs from 999, the 12 cost 799, the 12 mini cost 699, and iPhone SE costs 399. The Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra costs 1179 and OnePlus 8 Pro costs 799. The iPhone 12 Pro Max is the most feature-rich Apple smartphone this year, but comes at a significant price both monetary and physically. It sits firmly in the superphone bracket alongside with the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra and the OnePlus 8 Pro, so big that you may struggle to fit in the small pockets and almost exclusively needs two hands to use it. You get a huge 6.7-inch screen, 48-hour plus battery life, a significantly better camera, and improved design and ergonomics over its predecessors. It's certainly not perfect and costs a lot, even if you get it only 100 more than the smaller iPhone 12 Pro. But you're getting a lot of phone for the money. If you can manage its sheer guarantees, the size and the cost, the iPhone 12 Pro Max is one hell of a super phone. The advantage: the pros: very long battery, top performance, improved low light camera, longer optical zoom, portraits with night mode, water resistance, wireless charging, MagSafe, Face ID, fantastic screens, 5G, long software supports. Cons or disadvantage: no USB-C, need your own charger, enormous, super heavy, very expensive. Thanks for watching. Please make sure you press the like button, share, comment, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video. Until then, see you. Goodbye.